Hey, this is Chase with Outback Landscape. Over the last couple of years, we've had a lot of requests for shop tours and videos and some shop ideas from a building that we built a couple years ago. We moved in, a little over 18 months ago. So we want to just do a quick shop tour, walk you through everything, and show you what everything looks like inside. So this is our front entry. This is our front lobby. We've got seating over here. Try to have a lot of natural light. This is our front desk. This is Andy. She answers most of the phone calls that come in here first. She usually gets to them first. So the way that we built this, we wanted to do a couple of things. One, have kind of a nice waiting area. And then also the thought was we would keep all of the production offices and account managers downstairs, so they're close to the shop, and all the sales finance design upstairs. So we can be a little bit quieter and our guys aren't coming in and out upstairs all the time. So we've got some of our offices here, some of our account managers, maintenance, construction operations, enhancement, and more construction. These guys work out of here. They're working in the field maybe 50% of the time or more. Typically they're in here in the mornings, and then they're out doing stuff, checking on crews. So we've got kind of a work area here, TV up on the wall that we usually have going, printer downstairs that's shared, and then we've got a break room here. Pretty much just full kitchen. So you've got oven, microwave, fridge. Someone's playing the sink. So, but it's pretty nice. We've got a place here that everyone can come cook food, bring food, do whatever they need to. Free to use for everyone. And then downstairs bathroom here, and this leads us out into the shop. So the shop area we tried to design for our guys so they could get everything they needed quick, easy. We've got an ice machine here for all of our crews. So every morning, instead of guys stopping at gas stations and different things like that, and then also we like this because it's bagged, so guys don't have an ice machine with a drain and they're not getting the ice dirty and reaching inside. It's a lot cleaner. So we've got an ice machine that we keep stocked all the time. Our screens here, these typically have, we're usually showing production hours, over under, we're showing announcements, things like that. It's also a full computer, so our guys that are working in the shop, we can do parts lookup for things. Our guys can clock in and out here for guys that are not on our mobile app. And then we've also got, we try to keep everything here that we're using on a regular basis, and we're trying to eliminate guys making trips to stores, Home Depot, Lowe's, whatever, hardware stores. So we've got a fast saw machine here stocked with pretty much everything we always use, everything we go through. Cool thing about this, everyone's got a pin, it's all trackable. So you can set allotments for guys, you can pull reports from it. And if we're not using a lot of something, we can swap it in and out. And then over here, we don't like to keep a lot of stock of anything typically, but for service guys, for things we need quick, things we go through quite a bit, screws, nuts, bolts, sprinkler parts, typically those are all ordered for the job specifically, but we've got a pretty good supply of sprinkler clocks, hydroized clocks, things like that. So our service guys can just grab something if they need it, stock their truck back up and head out. So we can keep them out of parts stores. We don't want them sitting at vendors. So we try and do that. We have everything organized. We also have shelves for each crew. So guys that come in, if they have something they're taking the next day, they need some rain gutter extensions, whatever they're doing, those are gonna be designated by crew. They can load those up, take them out. It's a little messy right now because we're still in spring transition mode. So if you come over here, this is kind of the main shop area. Still organizing some of this, but we've got a workbench, tool chests that we lock up. Try to minimize the amount of guys that are in here. We try to keep the shop open for stuff that we're actually working on. So right now we're cleaning a trailer off so we can go get a new wrap put on it. We've checked the brakes, checked the bearings already, and we're just getting this ready to go get wrapped. So that's what he's doing. And then we're we're working on a bed. We fab these ourselves. So this is a mowing truck. The dump is on the back. The front is just a straight deck. This is built to hold one walker. We have some that are bigger that hold 2 mowers. But for smaller properties, smaller accounts, this is what we're building, and our guys are just fabbing them here in the shop. So this is a new truck we just got wrapped, and we're working on getting this finished. Hopefully get it into paint next week and have it out in the field pretty quick. And then we've got some shelving racks. We're plumbed for a pressure washer, but we haven't put in yet, mostly because I don't want to get water on the walls, but air compressor and basically everything we don't want to leave outside. We kind of got this to finish organizing because we're moving some stuff. We've got some Connexes in the back. But yeah, all LED lights. Try to make it bright in here, clean. We've got a floor cleaner every single night when we're done in here. Whatever we're done working on, if it's getting parked back outside, we pull everything out. Floor gets cleaned so that it's basically available to use all the time. So yeah, that's the shop space. We'll go upstairs and show you the offices up here. The upstairs. Grab the door real quick. This is open office space and regular offices that are framed in up here. We've got our designers up here, salespeople, also finance, admin, my office, and a conference room. So we have another desk coming. We're going to slide that one over. We'll put it here. Be able to put 4 more people out here in the open. We've got a printer here. So we print all of our own designs in-house, large format printer. So we can design, we can print, basically whatever we need to do, we can just do it in-house. This is Kirk's office. He's one of our landscape designers, and he's got one of the windows that look out at the back lot. Currently reorganizing, cleaning, getting everything ready for spring. And we'll cruise out here. We've got upstairs bathroom. We put a shower in it because we had the room in there, and for our spray techs, fertilization guys, if they need to, they can use that. So we've got a bathroom up here with a shower. Desk up here. This is our server room, storage room. Everything's in there. This is Drew's office. Drew is finance admin. Drew says hi. Pool table that I've never personally used yet, but someday. And then we've got our conference room here. This is where we have all of our meetings, all of our team meetings. We have clients that come in here. We'll go over design presentations with them, and we can pull things up on the TV, pull the design up on the TV if that helps what we're doing in here. This is my office here. Got stand-up desk, couch, mostly moved in, mostly not, but this is usually where I hang out. And we'll come back out here. This is James and Aaron. Aaron is our billing AR manager, also systems manager. James is one of our landscape designers. James typically does construction drawings, as-built, puts together a lot of our takeoffs, and that's mostly what he spends his time doing. So he's a great guy. Love having him. Won't interrupt him. So if you come from the conference room back downstairs, that brings you back to the lobby. That's a full tour of most of our building. We'll have some site visits coming up. If anyone wants to come out and check it out in person, feel free to contact us. We'd love to have you. And that's it.